For the halter top, we need 4 yarns, 18 grams, crochet hook size 4.5mm, a needle, and a pair of scissors. First, make a slip knot and chain 22 for the foundation chain. For the next row, we will make a single crochet in all the chains. Then single crochet until the end of the row. For the third chain, make 2 double crochet on the second chain from the hook. Yarn over, insert your hook, continue making double crochet until you reach the end of the row. When you reach the last chain, you will make 2 double crochet in that chain. After that, your work should look like this. Turn your work. For the next row, make 2 double crochet on the second chain from the hook. Continue making double crochet until you reach the 7th row, or until it reaches the top of your bust. When you finish the 7th row, it will look like this. You can see the top is starting to widen up. For the next row, we will make 2 single crochet and the same chain, second chain from the hook. We will single crochet until we reach the end of the row. When you reach the last chain, you will make 2 single crochet in the same chain. Then another 2 single crochet in the second chain from the hook. Continue making single crochet until you reach the end of the row. Make 2 single crochet in the last chain. Continue making single crochet until it reaches the bottom of your bust. The length of single crochet must be from the top of your bust to the bottom of your bust. After that, your top should look like this. There should be 18 rows all in all, including the foundation chain. For the next row, we will make 1 double crochet in the second chain from the hook. This is for straighten off the side of the top. Continue this pattern until you reach the 7th row. For the last and final row, we will make single crochet in the rest of the bottom of the top. When you reach the end, you can cut the yarn. Then, get your needle and sew the excess yarn. And then your top will look like this. For the strap, get your needle, then insert it in the edge of the top. Tie a knot and make sure that it is tight. Chain 150 and repeat it to the other side of the strap.